What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install Underglow LED for the car. Let's do it. Okay guys, today we're gonna install some Underglow LED to put it on the bottom. So let's unbox the LEDs, alright? Already unboxed everything. These are the LEDs, right? These are longer than the ones I put inside on the footwell. Okay, it has a cable, the wires, this one. For this one, it has a connection, you have to connect it here, but for this one I'm gonna use a electric wire because this one is not that strong enough to keep it together. And this one connects with this one and this one. And I think I'm gonna use maybe the tail light connection, right? And it has some zip ties. Right, let's put it on the car. Alright, now that I'm here, this is the area that I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna stick it here, but before I stick it, I'm gonna clean it because it's very dirty. Alright. The problem is that it doesn't have holes to put the zip ties. So for now, I'm gonna just stick it, but I'm gonna clean it real good first. Now what I did, I threw the other LED over there and the other one over there, so I just want to see if the cable reach, but I think it's long enough, so I'm gonna stick them first, and then the cable I'm gonna use the zip ties to put it on the body of the car like this. Right, so let's stick the LEDs first. This size is a little bit hard to see because I didn't lift it in this side, but I already put the LED here. Alright, now I'm gonna zip tie all the cables under the body of the car. Alright guys, I have already all the cables. The bunch of cables I hide it inside here. All of them are inside here in this cover. Alright, and right here is the connection, so you can see it, the connection for the box. Alright, so this is the only cable loose. The one on the rear I still have to get a better way to keep it away from the muffler, but for now I'm just gonna test it and see how it looks. Alright, I have everything connected, but I have a little problem. The cable for the light is not long enough to reach all the way to the tail light. So for now I'm gonna test it with a cigarette lighter to see if it works. But if you want to connect this to the tail light, you need a longer cable, so you need to buy more cables for this one. Alright, everything is ready. We're gonna test it with a cigarette lighter. Let's do it. So now it's on here with this one. It doesn't come with the lights. This one I got it from the footwell lights. I'm gonna put the link for this one too. Alright, so I already turn this on. Make sure that the connection with the box, this small box, has a little connection. If it's not all the way in, the lights won't turn on. So make sure the connection is fine. Okay, so now let's see it. It's nice. It's silly. Alright guys, those are the LEDs for the Underglow, under the body. They're amazing, but I have one problem. Still I have a problem. I wish that they had like a connection that you can unplug it, put the cable first and then plug it back to the box. Because it doesn't have that, it's a little bit hard to arrange everything, because everything is together in one piece, and then it's very hard to put it under the body of the car because it has a lot of metal and pipes and things, so you have to put them inside. Alright, so that's the problem. Alright, that's my con. I wish they had like a connection so you can unplug them, arrange it, put it in the area that you want it, and then plug it back again. It doesn't have that, so I wish they had that in the LEDs. But the color, the remote, that is amazing. All right, the link is gonna be on the description if you wanna get this. These are from Oxbin. I'm gonna put everything over there. But if you have something similar like this, let me know which one do you have. Put it in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.